What's up guys, this is RJ Nick's Adventure, and for today's episode, we're gonna travel up north. We're going to travel for about like 10 to 13 kasi kasama na yung mga P-break. So mga stopover. So watch out, baka para makita nyo kung saan kami. Right now, dito kami sa Shell kasi pa-full tank lang ako. All set na ako going to the north. So, yun. Start kami ng biyahe. So, time starts now. First stop over here at Patron, kilometer 23 at NLEX. Gutom na kami dalawa ni Wifey, so kaya muna kami saglit.
Many hours later.
We're now here in Agoo La Union. So stop over lang kasi nag-break kami. Naglilinis ako ng salamin ko kasi daming insekto. Kasi kuya, naglilinis na yun.
Hi kuya!
Say good morning to the vlog, kuya.
Good morning!
Tuwa ako sa performance ni Winter kasi hindi niya ako pinapalya when it comes to power and fuel consumption kasi matipid. Talagang hindi ideal lang size 19 na mags para bumiyahe ng gato kalayo. Coffee break with Dunkin' Donuts. Hi guys, it's already 4:25 this morning. We're here in Candon, Ilocos Sur. Stay muna kami sa Staylight kasi kailangan namin ng light mamaya bago sa travel. 4 hours lang yata kami magstay kasi at 9 o'clock we have to drive again. Let's take a moment, rest. I have to rest first. See you guys. Good morning guys! So, it's already 9:31 in the morning. And nakatulog kami ng maayos. So sobrang sarap yung tulog ko. Able to drive again. Ngayon papunta kami vegan. We'll have a brunch there. Titigip kami ng vegan longganisa. Authentic one. Napala guys, naka-couple shirt kami na hindi kita yung logo. Tapos kami naka-Jordan. Mukha kami malaki dahil po naka-loose shirt kami.
Oo nga, ang laki ko tingnan.
Pero yan, yun yung uso yun. Yan ang makakahaba ng shirt. Oh. Ting ning ning ning.
Sa akin din.
So, see you guys later. We're now here in Vegan. So, stop over muna kami ni Nika para kumain ng bagnet. Noong una, nag-search pa kami sa Google saan merong masarap. So, lumabas yung Dang Arce. Check out Dang Arce, vegan longganisa and bagnet. So, kung gusto nyo order, you can directly message them. There you go. Yan yung bagnet, no? Sarap po. Diba? Yan. So lahat to order papuntang Manila. I'll give you an example. House of Bagnet galing sa kanila. Kakain lang talaga namin ng bagnet, no? So sobra ako nabusog na naman. May dadaanan pa kami kliyente namin sa Lawag mamaya, chicken wings. Wala eh. Talagang sabi ko, putok bato, kakain ako. Walang diet muna. It's bakasyon ngayon eh. Ano masahe mo, mami?
Walang diet.
Diba? So nakadalawang rice siya ngayon.
Uy, salam!
At isa pa pala, kung may in-order kaming food, igado, syempre pork siya, laman loob. Ngayon, explain nila dito kung ano yung difference no. Merong igado ng ibang lugar, like ako, taga Mindanao, so iba igado namin. Dito kakaiba din, sarap eh.
Yung igado namin dito sir, laman loob siya talaga. Solo lang ang manloob, kunti lang yung karne niya. Tapos yung dinaldalim naman, dalawa kasing klaseng igado. Okay. Dinaldalim siya ka igado rin. Yung dinaldalim, yung giniling siya, pero laman loob. Visit lang kayo sa page namin para ma-direct message po kami kung gusto nyo pumunta dito sa store namin. Vegan Longganisa and Bagnet by Dang Arce.
Thank you!
Thank you!
Busog ka?
Oo, busog ako. Ang butok-batok yung kinain natin.
Dami mo kaya nakain.
Hindi oh, kunti lang. Yun guys, wala kayong mahanap na parking. So ikot-ikot muna kami dito ngayon sa area saan merong kalesa. Kasi first time ko magkakalesa eh.
Vegan City Hall. Pagkat to Jollibee. Very vintage ng mga establishments dito. And also the McDo. Ganda.
Right now, dito kami sa bahay ni Padre Burgos. Yan.
Bawal yung video sa loob. Peter na lang. Anong natutunan mo sa Hekasi? Wala
Ano? Sila yung tatlong pare sa Gombursa.
Wow! Sinabi ko yan kanina.
Hindi mo sinabi yun. Actually,
mag-picture yan sa loob.
yun.
Para makita naman kung ano.
Sige, balik ka na dyan. Diyan ka na babagay.
Kuya, mukha na pala kubad. Kasi di ba sa kulungan ako kubad?
Habang buhay, ako sa'yo'y maghihintay. Umaraw man o umulan,
Ang tanga. Kainong bahay, Daddy?
President Elpidio Quirino. So, pabalik na rin kami ulit ngayon. Sakay na ulit kami kay
Taliana. Hi, Tali.
Ano tayo, sir? Natapos kami sa vegan.
Bumili kami ng shirts.
Tsaka Rev Magnet. On our way to Paway. Saan yung sand dunes? Guys, we're here at Suba Sand Dunes. There you go. Ngayon mag 4x4 ride kami dito. Ang driver namin ay si Kuya Johnny. Say hi to the vlog, Kuya. Hello. Nakapanood ba to sa YouTube? After our sand dunes, ngayon dito kami sa Lawag. We're going to Chicken Wings. Yung client namin sa Social Expo. We will finally taste their chicken wings, no? Mami, how's the experience kanina?
May sugat ako, no?
Sugat.
I'm hungry.
Sakto kasi pinagod namin sarili namin kanina. Right now, we're gonna eat our late lunch. Baka hindi na kami magdi-dinner. Tomorrow, lamon ulit. So ito na yung bayan ng Lawag. Ito yung Ilocos Norte Capital, oh. Nakakabusog sa chicken wings. Dami namin nakain na chicken wings eh. We're on our way now to the beach. It'll take us an hour and 50 minutes to go there. It's gonna be a long drive again. Masarap gumising ng maaga for the sea breeze. Nakakagaling na ano yun. Oh, si Paul.
Wait.
Yep, it's gonna be a seafood day for tomorrow.
Promise?
Yep, promise.
May dala akong gamot.
We're already here in Pagudpud. We're here at Aguaceda. Medyo gabi na kami dumating since marami pa kami pinuntahan sa Vigan at sa Lawag. This is the place that we will be staying. That's our room over there. It's a very small room lang. Good for two. It's really a place to stay. So tomorrow, I'll let you see the beach. Good night! Good morning! Nagkali ako nag-register kasi mag-jet ski ako. Good morning guys, this is our last day. We're about to go home. Dadaan muna kami ng Patapat Viaduct. Guys, we're here in Patapat Viaduct. Ang dami nagpipicture din. One of the tourist spot here in Ilocos Norte. Yeah, there's a view. Is there. Buti pa to, nakarating na ng Patapat. Yung FJ, si Thor, hindi pa eh. Hi ka sa vlog. Panoorin sa YouTube. Thank you kay Kuya na siya yung kumuha ng picture namin dalawa ni Nika. So, hope you're gonna like this segment. Watch for more videos later. So, guess where are we right now? Where do you think we are? So, I want you to find out. Just take a moment and I will let you see. Hi babe. So you can see it's Turtle Beach. So we're here in La Union actually. Hi guys, we're on our way to Piscine Buffet. Thank you Tony. This dinner is actually courtesy by Tony. Gulat kami kasi nag-post si wifey a story and then when she replied, may dinner na kami. It's a dinner buffet.
Yeah, it's for free.
It's for free. Thank you so much Tony. And I'm sure I'm gonna love the food. No diet muna kasi buffet nga to.
I love you Sandra.
I'll let you see the restaurant. Daming tao dito guys, sobra. Feeling ko, sarap talaga ng pagkain, diba? So let's check it out here. There you go. Hello. So this is the Piscine restaurant here in San Juan, La Union. Thank you. Maya pila na kami sa pagkain. Gutom mo na ba? Pero siya pa cute kasi gutom na siya. So kain tayo. Ito yung mga pagkain dito. Good morning! And today is August 21. We're on our way back to Manila. Time check, it's 8:30 in the morning. It's gonna be a 4 hours drive. Stop over lang kami para bumili ng water. Bye Norte! T-Flex na kami. As you can see guys, naka-cruise control ako ngayon. One of the features of Toyota Altis, no? On the 12 Gen. Chill drive lang ako. Tignan mo yung view. Letting go, bold and held on to.
Guys, alam nyo ba? Natuto na akong kumain ng tupig dahil kay Hami. Sobrang sarap. Lalo na kapag mainit. Hi tayo guys!
Ay, sarap magpahinga. He's the one driving now. Oh, ayan, nakabili na ako ng coffee sa espresso. Sarap, pwede na. Grabe, banat si Madam. Heavy rain here in SCTEX. Kaya ni Mami yan, no? Di ba, Mal? Napaka-chill bumiyahe. Basta may driver.
Many hours later.
We're finally here at BF. Grabe, haba nung tinakbo namin. Pero sulit naman kasi enjoy na kasama mo yung partner mo in life. Actually, we traveled 1,213 kilometers in total. Sobrang haba. Ayan, si Wifey, natulog ulit. Wala siya nang ginawa sa buong travel kundi matulog. Except from Tarlac to hanggang Balintawak exit. Ako na ulit nag-drive para maka-uwi kami ng mabilis. Marami pa akong asikasuhin like underwash. Since galing kami sa beach, kailangan pa-underwash ni Winter. Thanks guys for watching this vlog. And thank you for always supporting us. Total distance traveled 1,216 kilometers. And finally home. There's store by the way. Mami, nag-enjoy ka ba?
Yes, of course. 100.
So, 100% nag-enjoy. Mahal ko. So, I hope you're gonna like this video. Don't forget to hit the like button. Subscribe to our channel. Bye. Peace out.